तू कलर दितालो एक्सरसाइजाक
दिता का
ना तो तुका दिवपाक येना कारण दीज आर द व्हेरी गुड आउटस्टँडींग वॉट एवर हॅज बीन गिवन त्यो ते कितें ते तुवें शब्द वापरलो पळय ती सगळी तुमच्या वेळा जाल्या today if I have to promote someone today I have to promote someone I have to rely on last 5 years CR last 7 years CR ही सगळी फुली गजाल तुमच्या काळान जाल्या CR तुम्ही बरयल्या नाही CR हांवें बरोवन ना सगळें आयलें सो डोंट गिव कलर टू इट बिकॉज द कलर वील फॉल ऑन यू
स्पीकर सर कलर आमचे पडले जाल्यार प्रॉब्लेम ना पण तेजे पडल्यार प्रॉब्लेम हांव तो मान्य करता नो प्रॉब्लेम ते तशें कांय उलयच न्ही आमी एक काम करया जर तर कितें रॉंग आहा जाल्यार करेक्ट करया न्ही नाजाल्यार आज स्टेशन तें परतून जातलें आनी हो आमचे तेंपार गेलो ना दीस सर्क्युलर इज बीन चेंज आफ्टरवर्ड्स आतां 2011 नो आफ्टर
31 मे 2011
31st मे
2000 तारकोय
ना
आता विड्रॉ हांवें केला I have withdrawn
circular
because in 2002 also I have not agreed with it.
Speaker sir 2000 withdrawn केल तेजेर उलयता withdraw at new what is in force the 1995 is in force 95 which is in force is giving all these things all those promotions so we don't want that what I am of the opinion that we don't want that we'll put it in order say that who is the senior let him get senior just by the fact that
I have clear पॉलिसी मॅटराचेर म्हाका ओपोजिशनान पॉलिसी मॅटर कितें आसचो गव्हर्मेंटाचो हें सांगपाची गरज ना दीस इज पॉलिसी मॅटर ऑफ द गव्हर्मेंट वी हॅव एक्सेप्टेड दॅट इट इज परफॉर्मन्स कम सिनियरिटी which will form the promotion concept. This is a policy matter of the government. Therefore, he can suggest.
Policy matter जायते करपाचे.
It is policy matter, but
okay, government जायते करपाचे.
कलर दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो पळय, सॅफ्रनायज करूंक सोदता, ते सॅफ्रनायज आमी करूंक शकना. कारण पॉलिसी मॅटर जरी आउटस्टँडिंगाक आमी ग्रेड दिली हायर, आउटस्टँडिंग गोज अप. In short, within the zone of consideration, some members might have not understood. The zone of consideration, तीग ऑफिसरांक एकट्याक प्रमोट करपाचो जाल्यार तीग जाणांची नांवां कन्सिडर घेता. पयलीं 5 जाण आसताले, आतां म्हाका दिसता तीग जाण आसा. बरी 5 जाण जाल्यार 5 जाण 5 or 3 3 नाव. So 3 officers are considered. तातूंत जर एका आनी for considering the benchmark is good for most of the government servant except 7,600 grade pay आहा पळय तांच्या हाका very good is the benchmark. But most of the government servant will be considered under good benchmark. Once he is a good, he will be considered for the promotion. It has to be decided within those 3 people. If there are 2 posts, it has to be considered within 6 people. If there are 3 posts, it has to be considered amongst 9 next in line. So all these people outstanding becomes promoted as per the 95 circular. आता outstanding तांकां पळय जे दिला कोणे दिला समजा जोरया लास्ट इयर दिला इयर बिफोर लास्ट दिला ताज्या पयलीं दिला that is during your regime. So I cannot influence that outstanding position or every good position or bad position or very good position. So it is already there during Congress regime, last 7 years government, that a particular grading is done to the officer. This government cannot change those gradings done during your time. Therefore, your allegation that I am trying to saffronize is first of all wrong because I don't decide who has got what grading. So they are given during your time. That is one. Number 2, I have only decided the method of selection. I have not decided who is to be selected. The selection will be happening based on the policy of 95. And 95, when this policy was adopted, Honorable Pratap Singh Rane was the Chief Minister, and Congress government had adopted this policy of both merit come seniority.
Speaker sir, this memorandum is issued on 27/6/2012. Memorandum is issued on 27.
Withdrawal, that is withdrawal.
I know, withdrawal, but that was done.
I have done it.
Yeah. What I am saying is that because of this withdrawal, they will be affected.
स्पीकर सर, 19ची पॉलिसी 31 मे 2011 पर्यंत व्हॅलिड आशिल्ली. 1995ची 1995 सर्क्युलर was in effect up to 31st May 2011. The central government issued this circular in 2002. So 1995 if the government in 2002 had accepted this central government circular, we would have been in the process of selection in 2002. The government in 2002, when I was chief minister, refused to accept that circular and we rejected it. So 1995 continued. After when Mr. Pratap Singh Rane was chief minister in 2005, he also refused to accept this circular. 2002 circular. He also refused. Subsequently, in 2011, 31st May, finally, Digambar Kamath government accepted this circular and implemented it. The moment I became chief minister, since I had, as a policy matter, I had not accepted it in 2002, I called for the file and cancelled it because that is a policy matter of the government, that 1995 circular is correct in the interest of better bureaucracy. And this policy was not decided by the BJP government. This policy was decided by a Congress government, which was a correct policy. Just because it was decided by Congress government, I don't want to change it.
So at least some things are good of the Congress government.
Who says?
You are saying na?
I'm a speaker, sir. That's all.
थोडं पण बरं हा न्ही.